again. Woo, woo, woo. And this episode, I am doing another DIY. I'm making waist beads. Now, African waist beads. So waist beads are used, there's multiple uses for waist beads, okay? So you can obviously use them to lose weight. So because you literally have like these beads around your waist that you will be wearing. And so what happens is as you gain weight or, become bloated because you're eating crap that you're not supposed to eat, your stomach will expand. So while the waist beads will sit on your stomach, as you expand, the waist beads will go up. So because sometimes you don't realize what foods are even bloating you. Because they're like, oh, well, these foods are fine, blah, blah, blah. Like, these foods are really good for you. And nutritionally, yeah, they're really great for you. But for whatever reason, your body just reacts. And they cause inflammation. So this way, it kind of is like a barometer. It'll do checks for you. So the waist beads will come up. And then you realize your stomach's gotten bigger. You're like, girl, get your life together. You're gonna get it together. You stop eating whatever crap you were eating, and the waist beads go down. And the overall goal is for the waist beads to then sit at your hips because you have lost the weight. And then you can just, get smaller and smaller ones as you go down. And you can just leave the other ones like sitting on your waist. Sitting on your hips. Okay? So that's one reason. Another reason is just for divine femininity. Certain stones give you, power and guidance and everything like that. So depending on if you practice things with stones and, walk that life, then they serve that purpose. If you're just looking to lose weight, they'll serve this purpose. But overall, aesthetically, it just makes you, it looks feminine, it makes you feel feminine and powerful. And nobody needs to know that you have them on but you. But girl, if you want to have your stomach out, a little crop top, do you. Because you know what? Love yourself and your body, okay? But I'm going to do it just because I also appreciate stones and their powers. And at the same time, I think I'm having like reactions to food because my stomach will like bloat out, and then all of a sudden it'll be like flat. So like I just need to figure out what I'm eating, because right now, like, I know my stomach's bloated because I had a hamburger yesterday and I had gluten. So like I know I'm bloated right now. But there's other times where I've had no gluten, I've had nothing that should have inflamed me, and I'm walking around like I'm 5 months pregnant. So I'm like, okay, well, there's something in my diet, let's use stones, put them in moon water, infuse them with power, and try to like heal my body and see what is reacting. Okay? So this is my first time making any beaded anything. I have never made bracelets or anything of that sort, in terms of that have clasp and everything like that. You can make beads in which it's like permanent and there's no clasp, and like they're literally tied on and cut and they're on you. These I'm gonna have clasp just because I know how my body like reacts to some things. I don't know if I might have to take them off. But either way, I made sure that I bought glass beads. I bought some pink quartz. What else did I buy? I bought sterling silver clasps and lobster clasps, so like, because my body reacts to everything, so I can't wear anything, And I bought nice glass beads. I was not wearing any plastic beads or anything of that sort. And I just wanted to make sure I had quality product. Quality products on my body. I didn't want anything that could possibly react. So while I'm trying to do this, I get a rash. Like, that's pointless. So, yeah. So now I'm going to sort my beads. I'm going pink and white. Wisdom, femininity. And I have pink quartz. And they're hearts. If you know me, whoop, can you see it? Yeah. If you know me, you know I love hearts anything. I love heart jewelry. So therefore, as soon as I saw that, I'm like, wait, what? Heart perfect. So it's gonna be really simple beads that I'm going for my first set, but then I bought a whole bunch of other colors. Like I kind of went off the deep end because I was like, ooh, that's nice. And then I bought like some amethyst. So I was trying to like, then like, oh, I thought this green was like beautiful. You know, all colors have powers. And we have some blues. I bought some aquamarine. Like I went off the deep end in terms of, oh, I bought another pink quartz, but I'm not gonna use this one. Let me use a different one. And then I thought these were like absolutely beautiful. So I'm probably gonna do something with these. I just don't know what. I thought, oh, it's like, oh, beautiful. Maybe a bracelet, because I think that's really pretty. So, all right, stay tuned. I guess now is the music montage of me assembling and getting things together. So I'll probably slow it down when it actually comes time to me put the clasp on, which I've never done before. And we'll see how that goes. So I gotta lay out the beads, everything like that, and go from there. All right guys, here we go. The lobster part, and then you're supposed to like bead it on, right? Put it on the little thingy, and then you're supposed to go down. Okay, then you're supposed to bend it and feed it through the crimp bead, and then pull it all the way up so it's nice and tight, and then take your little beading pliers and close it really tight, so it's nice and tight, right? Okay, and so everybody said it a little bit differently, but they say you should at least bead the end of your wire through the first bead and then cut it. But before I cut it, they say there's a little crimp cover. Wait, hold on, let me put it in my palm. It's like in a little C shape, And you're supposed to put that over the crimp bead. Okay. Whoop! Put it over the crimp bead. And then take your little pliers. Oop. And you're supposed to crimp that too. Crimp that close. Put that, make that close. Hold on, hold on. Is that supposed to be how it is? I don't think I did that right. No, I don't think I did that right. Can I take that off? Can I slide it more? I don't like how that looks. Wait, let's see if I can make it work. Okay. Alright, there you go. It wasn't all the way on. So let's really make sure it's crimped all the way in. There. Okay, so now we take it, whoop, and we get that first bead to go over, and then we cut the accent of the extra wire, and there, and that's it. So I now have my clasp on, and now it's time to just do all the beading. Okay guys, I'm back and my waist beads are done. I had to keep adjusting them just because I was like, I just measured my stomach. I measured again. It's too big. Measured again. Too big. I don't know, it was weird, but whatever. Next time I know. So now they are here, chilling right at my belly button. My little hearts. And yeah, so I'm happy how they came out. I'm like severely bloated, put on my sports bra so you guys, you know, whatever. So yeah, so I probably shouldn't have did this when I was so gluten filled, because then my stomach is going to go down. But I also have a crap load of more beads, so my stomach goes down, these will fall to like my waist, and then I can just make more beads that are a little bit bigger, you know, and go from there. So, what did I learn? I learned that measurements are a joke, and that you have to constantly like try it and like readjust, try, readjust. I learned that you have to be careful with the beading wire because it can easily slip out your hands and then all the beads fall into the floor. But overall, it was actually very simple to do. So I can actually see myself making more. Not necessarily always waist beads, but like bracelets. I'm like, well, now I know how to do it. Then shoot, I'll be making bracelets, necklaces, whatever I want. So friends and family, you might get a crochet hat, and then you might get a beaded necklace. You know, and yeah, so I look forward to what else I can make. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm gonna zip up because, you know, whatever. Y'all need to see all the boobage, sorry. So that was it. As always, like, subscribe, share. Shout out. Who did I just, you know what? I'm just going to pull up whoever was my last comment. Pull it up on my phone. Last comment was from Elena Bow. Shout out of the week goes to Elena Bow. I think I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to go to whoever was the last comment and shout them out, and that's it. So please comment below if there's something else you want me to try. I'm looking forward to making more content, keeping it fun, keeping it different, and seeing what else I can do around my house. Alright guys, that's it for me. Bye.